Hey folks, Astro Diver number 1 here. I have a 2008 Chevy Silverado truck, and the tailgate won't open. From experience, I know what's going to be wrong with it to begin with. So one day you go to open it, and I hear the latch on the right side making noise on the passenger side, but I don't hear the latch on the left side moving. So we're going to show you how you go ahead and fix that. It's a real simple, easy fix. So first, on the inside of the tailgate, you've got a 13mm fastener there at the bottom. You want to take that off first, and you'll see why in a second. Okay, and then underneath here you're going to have 3 metal body clip attachments, and I think the other one's here. You're going to want to use something to get underneath there. In my case, I'm just going to use a screwdriver and a rag just so I don't chip the paint. And just pry out on it. There we go. And pop that off and pull it out. And you got 1, 2, and 3. Alright, and the reason why we take out that first 13mm bolt at the bottom is because we have a clip right here that threads into. And be careful, I've already done it, this thing falls out very easily. So that's off. And now we can see the problem here. The right side arm, you can see how that's pulling. The left side arm is missing. That's because there's the plastic piece that breaks over time. This is a 2008, so this is the first time this has happened, and I knew that was the problem. So you just need to replace these clips right here. So yeah, these are like $4 or $5, $1 to $5 on eBay. You can see this is 2009 to 2007. Those are the ones that I ordered. But 2008 through 2015 or 16, I believe, is the same part number. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I think if you get any tailgate clip from 1999 to 2015, it's going to be the same part. Now, if you want, you can take out the other 2 13mm bolts, and then you can just pull this whole handle up and make things easier to get to. But it's pretty straightforward. We're going to leave them like they are. Here's our rod that's come off. Alright, so one's left, one's right. You're going to want to pop the clip into the hole first. Like so. And then get the tailgate rod right here and push it over. Push the rod through the hole there first, and then just pivot it on up and snap it into place. And that does the trick for us. And since I'm in here, I'm going to go ahead and replace the other factory clip right there. Alright, the only other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of silicone to this and go ahead and maybe lubricate those clasps right there. Yeah, and this is the original plastic one that came off the passenger side. Pretty flimsy, you know, it's 14 years old now. But the new ones, I don't know, we're talking about plastic here, but it's thicker plastic. Alright, we're just going to put the assembly back on. Remember, be careful not to lose this part right here. It does like to slide out. Pop in. And then just tighten up that 13mm bolt in the back and you're all set. Alright guys, it's a short one, but sweet. We'll talk to you later.